Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account, and if you want to, you can activate it again in the future. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So the first step, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile right here at the bottom right. Now go to the top, tap on Account Center. And once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Okay. Now, once that's done, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the specific Instagram account. Now, just go leave it to the Deactivate account. Okay, it says here, deactivating your account is temporary, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging in to your Instagram account. So just hit on Continue. If you don't have a password for this specific account, we'll just ask you to create a password. Okay. So just go ahead and type down your password or preferred password and just tap on Continue. As it says here, select the reason why you wanted to deactivate. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Just Need a Break. Scroll all the way down and tap on Continue. Now in here, just scroll all the way down. And it says you can reactivate your Instagram account through Account Center. Okay. We can also automatically reactivate your account for you, and this will make your Instagram account active and enabled again. Now it says here, automatically reactivate my account in how many days? Tap on the drop down. You can select 7 days as maximum, or don't reactivate automatically. Okay. So once you have selected your preferred days, just hit on Continue right here. And finally, tap on the Activate account and you should be good to go. Now, if you can't wait, for example, 7 days for Instagram to reactivate your account, you can just go ahead and log in with the same credentials or email password or mobile number password. Then you'll be automatically logged in and your Instagram account will be enabled again. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.